you live with that fear. I am outraged because I don't want to live with that fear, and I want the government and the society to take responsibility. It is not me who has to constantly think that, okay, my battery has to be charged. It is not me who has to constantly think that, oh my God, what if my car breaks? Buses should be safe, metros should be safe.